talk about it later. So now let's move to the next, which is the explosion. The explosion in 2 dimensions, it gave us this. You saw it already. Then if we do it in 3 dimensions, look at what we get. Oh my goodness. This is huge. But this is something that this is an object. So there is information here in this object, but you cannot tell exactly. So what we will do, we will get this object, open it, so that we can see. And also, we will map the information on the card. You see this? This is the huge cube that we have opened. You see very well, I am showing you here number 4 to show you how the explosion happened. So when explosion happens, of course, it will form again another cube around the small cube of 4. From 1 cube, we go to the next level, there will be another number of cubes. And if you count them on the next level, they are 26. Oh my God. 26 at once. Just for 1 step, 1 level. Then when you go to next level, it will be more than that. Anyway, there is a formula for you to calculate this. There is a formula that will tell you how many, no matter what the number is, if you apply the formula, you will know that at this level, we have how many small cubes. And this, the scientists call them, of course, voxels. No? These are voxels, the small cubes I'm talking about. These are voxels. So these voxels here will appear many. You go to the next level. This level 3. Then level 4. Oh my God. It's too big. Then you get this and map it. When you map this information, how it will appear, this is the way it's going to appear. On the black hole, when you get this object, you throw it into the black hole will dismantle it. Yet, it will record all of this in this form on a surface area where you have, but this I said that this information is 3D information. It is 3D information. So what will appear there? You will see again the master number. On the left, on somewhere here, you will see the 10 reappear. So meaning the card of the projection will still be there. So the projection and the explosion are the same. That's why if you study the black holes, you can understand also about the Big Bang. This is what we are doing here. You studied about the black hole, all the information that the black hole can give to you can reflect the result you are going to get when you do the bang, meaning the Big Bang. That's why I will tell you that we will be dealing with 2 singularities for every number. One provided by the projection, and another provided by the explosion or the bang. So these are the things we are going to talk about. And when we reach this level here, here you will see miracles happen. There are so many wonders behind this card here. And we call it diamond. This is the diamond of 4. The information card of a number can be called also the diamond of a number. As you see it, it's a diamond. The shape is the shape of a diamond. So diamond of 4, when you calculate, when you compute of all of this, the results are so big. Even the singularity is so big, because in order for us to reach to the singularity, we have, as I explained last time, we have this open door. It's only one door, but you consider all these open areas, open cells here. They are the one. If we go inside the black hole, then we can see through. We see through, and we reach stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. It depends on your number. The number will dictate how many stages you have to go down. And at the bottom, you will meet the singularity. The singularity is that bit of information which is so huge. Not as because it's so big, in physically speaking, no. Because the number that you are going to meet there is so big. Meaning, all these values you see here, if you trace them back, you will trace them back to one single number. And that number is called the singularity. So one number, and all of these, as you see them here, they represent a portion of the map of the universe. So from here, if we get the card of 1, of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and up to the number that we can reach to, then we can map all the information of the universe. And we will do it here. It is not a secret, and it's a very easy thing to do, I tell you. Very easy. There is a certain logic that we will follow in order for us to get the whole map of the information in the universe. And why we call it map of information of the universe? Because this card here, the diamond, all these values you see here represent bits of information. Don't expect them to be zeros and ones. No. Here we are going to the fundamental level, please. When we go to the practical thing, when we work with computers, the scientists will know how to deal with this. We will find a way with the scientists how to deal with this, make them appear 0 and 1s if we have to do so. But here, as you see them, these are bits of information. And I already gave the definition of a number, that a number is a bit of space and time. A number is a bit of space and time. So space-time is represented by numbers. Because in the black hole, space and time are twisted to a breaking point. And then they have to survive, because the black hole must exist. Therefore, space and time are fused into one and become what we call a number. That's why numbers represent really the fabric of space and time at the fundamental level. This is something that you should not doubt about. Please instead investigate. Because you will be guided. You have your own brains. And you will understand it deeply, even deeper than me. But I am just an instrument for me for nature to open itself to you. What happened, you will know it. You will know why me to give this kind of knowledge to other people. Why it was given to me. You will know it later. But you see here that all these values are all interconnected, and they are made, and they are absolutely made like this in the universe. So this, who is closer to who, is this way. Therefore, they are all entangled. They are all one. You change the value of only one, you change all of them. The value of all. You touch one, all. So the information in the universe can travel as faster as possible. I don't know if really it will be the speed of light or more than the speed of light. So far, I have no proper idea about it. But as you see here, instantly, when you change one here, even this number is in what galaxy there, that we have not seen yet, even on on our cameras, on our telescopes. We will this number will change all of them. So this map is really universal map. That's why we call it information card. And the universal one is a compilation of all the maps of numbers. So if you get all the cards of numbers that you can, your brain can afford to count, then those, you put them together, they make the map of the universe. So you can make a universe of your own, depending on your brain. So this is what we are getting into. To scientists who have studied these things, I think they do, and they can get a hint from what I am saying. This is real. I am not giving you the formulas here, because I don't like anyone to take advantage of this. We will give it to them. It is given for the whole mankind. We will do it at a proper time, and there is a time for that, and that time depends on you. You want to know about it? Just ask me. Then we will talk. This is a simple matter. It's a simple matter. It's not for me. It's for the whole humanity. So let's play our roles. For those who understand, do not hesitate. Let's form. We start maybe with 2 people who understand. Then this will drive the whole world to understand this. And these are the mathematics that we have been longing for. So please, I would like to repeat again that this is not about me. It is a gift that has been given to us by nature. And when nature decided to give it, it is here. We have just to exploit it. I have all the details that you want to know about numbers. I am not talking in the air. I am talking about something very much rooted into the universe, into the fabric of the cosmos. So please understand this. Let's work together. Those who can understand immediately, join me. I will not be your leader, but I am here just to convey it to you, and you will be the first to enjoy, because you will have known the hidden mysteries of the black holes, the singularity, the Big Bang, and so on. Thank you very much.